Listen and repeat after me. About me and my life. I live in a small apartment. My favorite color is blue. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I work as a teacher. I like to read books in my free time. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast every morning. I drink coffee with milk. I go to bed around 10 p.m. I speak a little French. I brush my teeth twice a day. I take a shower in the evening. I often cook dinner at home. I sometimes watch TV after work. I walk my dog every afternoon. I listen to music while I work. I clean my apartment on Saturdays. I usually do laundry on Sundays. I buy groceries once a week. I spend time with my family on weekends. My mother is a doctor. My father likes to garden. My sister is studying at university. My brother plays football. I have a good friend named Maria. We often meet for coffee. They are very kind people. My grandparents live in another city. My aunt has a beautiful house. We celebrate holidays together. I enjoy painting pictures. I play the guitar a bit. My hobby is collecting stamps. I like to go hiking in the mountains. I often visit museums. I love watching movies. I prefer listening to pop music. I'm learning to play chess. I find photography interesting. I spend hours playing video games. I like to eat pasta. My favorite fruit is apples. I often drink water. I don't like spicy food. Do you want some tea? Can I have a glass of juice? We had pizza for dinner last night. This soup is delicious. I need to buy some bread. She always eats healthy food. I want to visit Italy someday. I went to the beach last summer. The train station is near here. Is there a hotel close by? We stayed in a nice hotel. The city is very busy. I love walking in the park. The weather was sunny yesterday. It's raining heavily now. The airport is far from the city center. I need to buy new shoes. How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? Where is the changing room? This shirt is too small. I'll take this one, please. The shop opens at 9 a.m. They have a sale on clothes. I bought a present for my friend. I like shopping online. It's sunny today. It was cold yesterday. It's going to rain tomorrow. The wind is strong. It's a beautiful day. The temperature is 20 degrees. Is it snowing outside? The sky is very cloudy. I like warm weather. Don't forget your umbrella. I feel tired today. I have a headache. I need to see a doctor. She looks happy. He is feeling sad. Are you okay? I'm a bit nervous. I feel much better now. Get well soon. I need some rest. What time is it? It's 3:30. The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. My birthday is in July. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. The day after tomorrow is Wednesday. Last week I was on holiday.com. Next month I will visit my parents. The year is 225.com. I work 5 days a week. My office is in the city center. I study English every day. I have a lot of homework. My boss is very strict. I learn new things at work. I often use my computer for work. I have a short break at 1 p.m. I need to prepare for my exam. The lesson was very interesting. I usually go to work by bus.com. The train is often late. Do you have a car? I prefer to walk. We took a taxi to the airport. The bus stop is across the street. How long does it take to get there? I ride my bicycle in the park. Be careful when you drive. The traffic is very bad today. The house is very big. Her hair is long and brown. The dog is very friendly. This book is interesting. The film was quite boring. He is a tall man. She wears nice clothes. The music is too loud. The garden is beautiful. This room is very bright. Go straight ahead. Turn left at the traffic lights. It's on your right. Go past the bank. The post office is next to the supermarket. How do I get to the library? It's not far from here. You can't miss it. Walk about 10 minutes. It's just around the corner. I visited my grandmother yesterday. We went to a party last night. She bought a new dress. He played football on Saturday. They ate dinner at a restaurant. I saw a good movie. We walked in the park. She started her new job last week. He finished his homework quickly. They lived in London for 5 years. I will call you later. We are going to visit our friends. She will help you with that. It's going to rain soon. I think I'll have some tea. They are going to buy a new car. He will be here in an hour. I'm going to learn to swim. We will meet at 7 p.m. She is going to cook dinner tonight. My car is faster than yours. This book is more interesting than that one. He is taller than his brother. Summer is hotter than winter. This exercise is easier than the last one. New York is bigger than my city. Coffee is more popular than tea here. She is happier today. This road is wider than that one. Learning English is more difficult than learning French for me. I can speak English a little. Can you help me, please? I can't come to the party. Could you open the window? She could swim when she was 5. We should study for the exam. You should eat more vegetables. He should call his mother. They could visit us next weekend. I can meet you at the cafe. There are many shops in this area. I usually read before I go to sleep. She often goes for a run in the morning. He loves playing with his children. We always have breakfast together. They don't have a lot of money. I think it's a good idea. Please wait for me outside. I need to finish this report by Friday. Let's go to the cinema tonight.